Okay. Some of you guys are going to have some questions about finding angle measures on our polygons that we're graphing on a coordinate plane. So, a couple different things we can do. I kind of want to show you a way that will kind of help us the easiest way. And it's going to involve sort of our little box method right there that we sort of did to calculate area. So I'm going to take this edge here. I'm going to draw a nice rectangular box around this thing. Okay, so if I want to find angle A, this one's a little bit easier because from angle A, I have this angle here, right here, and I also have this right triangle there, here, and I have a right triangle right here down below. So what we can do is I have, shucks. So we have this right triangle right here, and we have this right triangle right here. Okay, now what we can do is we know that all three of these angles, okay, I'm going to label this 1, angle A is 2, this angle there is 3. All three of these angles form a straight line, okay? Now, I have a right triangle here, okay? I should know my two leg lengths here because we can just count the squares. We should being the operative word, find a measure for this angle right here, okay, in the orange triangle. We should be able to find a measure for this angle right here, okay, in the red triangle, okay. Now, we know all three of these angles form a straight line, okay. So, if all three of these angles form a straight line, they're going to add up to something, and we could take away this little angle here and this little angle here, doing some simple trig, and we should be good to go. Okay, so that's how you'll find a measure of an angle on a coordinate plane. That's one way. Okay, the other way is going to involve one other thing, and that's going to sort of be where my angle B is at up here. So let's take a look at that here real quick. I'm going to sort of uncolor all these and redraw this up. Okay, so if we're looking at angle B, again, I'll draw a little box up here. So angle B is kind of a trickster because it's not sort of along a line where we can make two right triangles, but it still kind of is. So what we'll do here is, here's angle B, this big obtuse angle right here. I do have a right triangle here, and I also have a right triangle here. Now, we should, since we found this little angle down here on the previous problem, we should know what that little angle is right up there, because it's complementary to this angle down here, okay? So now what we'll need to do is we could also use this right triangle here to find, that's too big, to find that angle right there, okay, using the same process we did there, okay? Now, so if we have, this little angle right here and this little angle right here, now they're not going to form a straight line, okay? They're not going to form a straight line, but what do they also have? Well, we know that angle B has this little acute angle here and this little acute angle here, but it also has a 90-degree angle right there that's missing. So if we take this little orange angle right here, 90 degrees, and this little red angle right here, and add them all together, that'll give us our measure for angle B, okay? So those are the two ways that we'll be able to find the angle measures of our polygon on the coordinate plane. And we should be able to see some kind of a pattern. And I can't wait to see what it is. So if you have any questions, I'm here.